Get ready to count down the top picks as we explore the best espresso machine for beginners. From budget-friendly options to beginner-friendly features, these picks are designed to simplify your mornings and boost your confidence behind the grinder. Curious about what actually makes an entry-level espresso machine great? Today, I'm going to be going over the best espresso machine for beginners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the HIBREW espresso machine. In the home kitchen, beginners deserve a machine that invites exploration rather than intimidates, and this model does exactly that. It blends a compact footprint with a temperature-adjustable system that helps you learn how subtle changes in heat affect extraction. Pump delivers dependable pressure, while the heat-up time is quick enough to keep practice sessions flowing rather than stalling the momentum you want when learning. A simple dial-based interface pairs with a small digital readout, giving new users a tangible sense of control without burying them in menus. Water reservoir is sized for multiple shots in a single session, and the removable drip tray makes cleanup after a day of practice straightforward. A steam wand with good range lets you texture milk for lattes and cappuccinos, and the frothing is forgiving enough for learners who are still chasing that perfect microphone. For beginners, the HIBREW emphasizes pre-infusion to reduce channeling, a feature that rewards consistent tamping and grind size adjustments. The portafilter is comfortable to grip and accommodates standard filter baskets, enabling a smooth transition from practice shots to real cafe-quality double espressos as your skills grow. Machine's build quality is sturdy, with reliable materials that stand up to frequent use, and the design promotes an orderly workflow, minimizing misplaced parts and streamlining the cleaning routine. Routine maintenance stays accessible through a simple rinse cycle and a quick backflush, which keeps flavor clear and the machine responsive over time. The result is dependable performance that helps new users build confidence, shots that reveal the fundamental flavors of espresso: bitter, sour, sweet, and sometimes fruity notes, without needing a pro-level setup. If your goal is to taste espresso quickly and learn gradually, the HIBREW serves as a confident starting point that can remain in your kitchen as you upgrade. Compared to the SHARDOR espresso machine, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the HIBREW emphasizes simpler setup and faster heat-up at the expense of some advanced control features. But at number 4, we have the SHARDOR espresso machine. This model offers a sturdy stainless steel chassis and a compact footprint that fits in smaller kitchens while still delivering a kitchen-friendly espresso workflow. The 15-bar pump, combined with a thermoblock heating system, gives stable extraction temperatures and reliable pressure for pre-infusion and pull-down shots. The dual-function portafilter allows both straight espresso and a shot with pre-infused technique. The steam wand supports creative milk texturing, enabling lattes and cappuccinos as you practice. User interface focuses on a few tactile buttons and an intuitive dial for grind size and water volume, reducing the cognitive load for new users while still offering room to experiment as you learn. Generous 1.4 to 1.5 liter reservoir helps you steam multiple milks or pull several shots in a session without constant refills, which is essential for practice blocks. The machine's milky output benefits from the steam wand's performance. You can achieve velvety microfoam with practice timing and milk temperature targets. Cleaning is straightforward. The brew group is accessible, the drip tray is easy to remove, and the exterior finish resists fingerprints and scratch marks. With a footprint that fits on most counters, this model suits small kitchens and busy morning routines where speed matters. Build quality is solid for a budget-friendly machine, with smooth gliding portafilter arms and a stable platform that reduces vibrations while pulling shots. For beginners, the SHARDOR represents a transitional device, more features than a purely entry-level machine, but not so many that the learning curve becomes a barrier. Compared to the HIBREW espresso machine, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the SHARDOR offers a more robust steam capability and more hands-on control, but it requires a bit more practice to master and a little more attention to grind size and timing to extract consistently good shots. At number 3, we have the De'Longhi La Specialista Opera. De'Longhi La Specialista Opera brings a different voice to the beginner-friendly lineup. Its professional-inspired presence on the counter is matched by a workflow designed to guide a user from dose to tamp to pull with clear mechanical cues rather than opaque digital menus. The smart tamping station helps produce uniform tamp pressure, a frequent variable that trips up novices, while the dedicated hot water outlet supports Americanos without a second machine. The machine uses precise temperature management with a dedicated brew boiler and an efficient steam system, so that you can switch from espresso to milk-based drinks with minimal waiting. The brew head feels solid and the portafilter seats snugly, giving a satisfying feedback when you lock in the shot. The overall footprint is a step up from smaller entry models, reflecting its learning curve, more room for your hands, and better visibility of the shot progression. Cleanup involves removing the drip tray, rinsing the group head, and draining the water reservoir, an approachable routine for a home user who is practicing daily. Enthusiasts will appreciate the ability to adjust tamping pressure via the push-button cradle, the refinement of the creamer through stable temperature, and the ability to craft more complex drinks as confidence grows. Compared to the Shardor espresso machine, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Opera delivers more precise temperature stability and a tactile workshop-like coffee-making rhythm, but at a higher price point and larger footprint, making it a natural midpoint on this list. At number 2, we have the CASABREWS CM5418. As a compact, approachable machine, it is designed for new users who want a straightforward path to espresso success. The CM5418 emphasizes reliability, solid stainless steel frame, a dependable 15-bar pressure pump, and a well-organized water reservoir that lifts from the side for easy filling. The interface minimizes confusion. Single dial controls flow or shot size, while a few indicator lights tell you when to start the extraction, when to stop, and when the machine is ready. A built-in pre-infusion stage helps gently saturate the grounds, reducing the risk of channeling as you learn to grind and dose. Steam wand is useful for practice, and the included pitcher yields good microfoam with a little practice. Maintenance is straightforward. Rinse the group head after heavy use and keep the steam nozzle clean to avoid stubborn milk residue. This model suits beginners who want to master the basics before moving to more feature-rich machines. Compared to the De'Longhi La Specialista Opera, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the CM5418 is simpler and less expensive, but you lose some of the advanced tamping guidance and the high-level temperature stability that the Opera can offer. CM5418 provides a friendly, unintimidating path to consistent espresso shots with manageable steps and fewer variables to juggle while you learn the craft. At number 1, we have the CASABREWS 370. CASABREWS 370 stands atop this list by delivering a balanced blend of performance, reliability, and ease of use that most beginners crave. It features a dual boiler system with separate brew and steam circuits, allowing you to pull a shot and steam milk without waiting for a single boiler to recover. PID temperature control maintains a tight target during extraction, helping to dampen temperature drift across multiple pulls, which many novices experience as inconsistent shots. Machine also includes a programmable shot feature and warm-up routine to help you start with a familiar workflow. A digital display communicates temperature, shot time, and readiness, while the manual overrides provide space to tune your technique as you gain experience. Steam wand handles milk texture with a credible balance of power and control, enabling latte art practice as your confidence grows. A generous water reservoir and a durable stainless steel chassis translate into long-term usage in a busy kitchen. Portafilter approach makes loading grounds simple, and the included baskets ensure you can pull both single and double shots without extra accessories. The device's construction emphasizes serviceability, removable back panel, cleanable brew head, and an accessible drain that makes maintenance less daunting. For those who are ready to invest a bit more to ensure consistent, cafe-style results, the CASABREWS 370 offers a very credible platform that can be tuned and upgraded with a few compatible accessories as needed. Compared to the CASABREWS CM5418, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the 370 delivers greater thermal stability, a more expansive feature set, and a higher build quality, but at a price that makes it a selective choice for serious beginners who know they want to stay with espresso as a habit rather than a one-time project.